Hello. For this lesson, I'm going to be teaching a rule. So the rule that I'm going to be teaching is when the letter C is followed by E, I, or Y, the letter C is going to make the sound S. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. Hello, class. Today I'm going to teach you the following rule. The rule says when the letter C is followed by E, I, or Y, the letter C is going to make the sound S. Okay, so we know that there are two sounds that C can make. C can say S as in scent or K as in cat. So let's take a look at the one thing we need in order for the rule to apply. So first, we must have the letter C followed by E, I, or Y. This must be present in order for us to perform the behavior. And what is the behavior? The behavior is that the letter C is going to make the S sound. Okay? So now I want you to watch me as I decide whether the rule applies to some of my words. Okay? So our first word is going to be this word. Okay, it is spelled. It is spelled C-E-L-L, and I need to decide how this word is pronounced. So I first need to determine whether I have the one thing that I need. Is my word followed by E, I, or Y? Yes, my word is followed by the letter E. So my critical attribute is here. So because the letter C is followed by the letter E, I know that the C will make the S sound. So I can pronounce this word as sell. Okay? Let's take a look at my next word. So I'm going to go ahead and write my next word. Okay, my next word is spelled I-C-Y. I want to determine how to pronounce this word. So I need to ask myself a question. Is my word followed by the letter E, I, or Y? Because I answered yes to this question, is this word pronounced with the S sound? Yes, it is, because my condition is present. Therefore, this word is pronounced icy, because the letter C is followed by the letter Y. Now, let's look at another word. Okay. So my next word is spelled C-A-L-L. Okay, and I need to figure out how my C is going to be pronounced in this word. I need to ask myself if the letter C is followed by the letter E, I, or Y. So in this case, no, it is not. The letter C is followed by the letter A. Therefore, this word does not follow my rule, and the letter C in the word is pronounced as the K sound. So this word is call. I'm missing the thing that I need to make our rule true. I'm missing the letter E, I, or Y after my letter C. So I do not pronounce this word with the S sound. So everybody, let's say this word together. Call. Good, nice job. We do not pronounce this word with the S sound, or the C with the S sound. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Okay, so this word is spelled C-U-T. Let's ask ourselves our question. Is my letter C followed by E, I, or Y? Is it, class? No, it is not. It is followed by the letter U. So I'm missing that part of our rule. So is my letter C pronounced with the S sound, everybody? No, it is not. Why is my letter C not pronounced with the S sound? John? Good, because it is not followed by the letter E, I, or Y. So when I say this word, I will say the K sound, and my word is cut. Okay, say that with me. Cut. Good, nice job, guys. So, now I want us to try a few examples together, and then I'm going to ask you to do some on your own. So my next word is kind of a bit longer. Okay, I want you to write this word on your paper. Go ahead and do that now. Now think about the question I need to ask myself. I need to figure out how the letter C is going to be pronounced in this word. So everybody, is the letter C followed by E, I, or Y? Yes, it is. So what sound does my C say? S. Good, nice job everybody. So what is my word? Certain. Good, nice job. We can say that again. My word is certain. Okay. Now, the next example that I'm going to write on my board looks a lot like the last one. Let's take a look at this. I want you to write this word on your paper. This word is spelled C-U-R-T-A-I-N. Go ahead and think about the questions and say this word to yourself. All right, everybody, I want you to say this word when I signal. Good. Curtain. Nice job. This word is curtain. This word does not follow our rule because the letter C is followed with the letter U. So the C does not say S, it says K. Okay? Good. Let's take a look at another one. Okay? Go ahead and think about this word and our rule that we've been working on. When I signal, I want you to say the sound the letter C will make. Now this time, the C is actually in the middle of our word. Okay, so once you identify, think about what sound is our C going to say. Everybody? Good. S. Let's say this word together now. Dancing. Nice job, everybody. This word is dancing, and the C is followed by the letter I, so I know that it's going to say S instead of K. Okay? Here's our next word. Our next word is spelled C-L-A-P. Does this word follow our rule? No, it does not. Why not? Ben? Good, because the letter C is followed by the letter L. Let's say this word together. Clap, clap. Good, nice job, everybody. All right, so now it's your turn to practice applying this rule. I'm going to give you two words, just like we've been practicing, and I want you to decide whether the rule applies or whether it applies or whether it does not. Okay, so I want you to write on your board the word C-I-T-Y. Okay. Now, next to the word, I want you to write the sound the C will make. Okay, so we know that C can say two things, but when it's followed by E, I, or Y, we know that it makes the S sound. Okay, so say this word in your head that I have on my board right here. Turn and tell the person sitting next to you what this word is. Okay, now everybody all together, the word is city. Good, nice job. Okay, and then the last one we're going to do is this word right here. Okay? So on your board, write the sound the C will make in this word. Okay, I'm going to be around to check your work. Okay, I might call on some of you guys to tell me independently what this word is. Okay, so I would be walking around. All right, guys, let's review one last. Here we go. This word is curl. Nice job. Does anybody have any questions? All right, and that is our rule that when the letter C is followed by E, I, or Y, the letter C makes the sound S. Nice job.